Hello everyone and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to be unboxing and testing out the Divoom Pixoo-64. This device, as the name suggests, is a 64x64 pixel art display. You may have seen me showcase the Divoom Pixoo Max in my other videos, but this is a larger and more feature-packed product that is ideal for streamers, gaming setups and general decoration. As I've come to expect from Divoom, their packaging and unboxing experience was excellent, with the product well secured inside a very nice box. The packaging outlines some of the key features of the Pixoo-64 that include the much sought after social media tracker for sites like YouTube and Instagram, as well as a fantastic app where you can create your own designs and animations, as well as browse from thousands of incredible user created designs in the dedicated pixel art gallery. Inside the box we have a standard user manual, as well as a really nice braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable, which I personally think should have been a little bit longer, as I felt slightly restricted in the placement of the product. Although having said that, the cables are pretty cheap anyway, so if that is an issue for you, I'm pretty sure you could pick up a longer cable elsewhere. And of course, in the protective packaging we have the Divoom Pixoo-64 itself, which has this 1cm bezel around the outside. But with any good product there's a good peel, so let's test it out. That was a fairly satisfying peel, so I'm going to give it a score of 81% on the peelometer. On the back of the device we can see a downward facing USB Type-C input, as well as an included 512MB micro SD card. Plugging in the USB Type-C is much easier on the Pixoo-64 than it was on the Pixoo Max, which makes life that little bit easier. Taking a look around the edges of the device, we have several mounting locations, including 2 on the bottom and 1 on the top. As well as this, there is also a power button and a channel button on the side of the device, but quite honestly I only ever used these in the setup process and the rest was done through the app itself. As well as this, there is also a small stand hidden on the back of the device which fits into the rear mounting hole. Unfortunately though, this stand isn't adjustable in any way, so you are stuck with this single angle. Thankfully though, there are many ways in which you can mount and display the Pixoo-64, so this shouldn't be an issue for anyone. Connecting and pairing the device was thankfully very straightforward. You simply download the Divoom app from the Apple or Android stores, create your own account on the Divoom app, then follow the on-screen instructions to pair a new device. Once done, you are immediately ready to create your own designs, explore endless amounts of user-created content, or use any of the other functions such as social media trackers, game trackers, mini-games, alarms, visualizers, and much more. The social media trackers can be found under the channel tab and then under clocks. For each of the trackers you simply have to enter your username or link the associated account for Divoom to provide you with continuously updated statistics. The Pixoo-64 also works with Alexa and IFTTT, which means you can get your device to react when you get a Twitch follower, notification on your phone and many more functionalities. By default you have loads of trackers to choose from, including various cryptocurrencies and stat trackers for games like League of Legends, Apex, Overwatch and several more as well. From the Exploring Gallery page you can access and search for practically anything you can think of. I honestly think this is a great gadget for streamers and content creators, as it makes an interesting and eye-catching backdrops for streams and videos. The Pixoo-64 costs about £125 or $170, so it is quite pricey, but it definitely feels worth it compared to other similar products. For example, if you want a Pokemon, you can search for it. If you want Batman, you can also search for it. And if you want a dinosaur living out his last few seconds before extinction, you can also search for that. The possibilities are honestly endless with the Pixoo-64. Quickly comparing it to the Pixoo Max, which only has 32 pixels, you can really see the benefit of the improved pixel density, making for a much sharper and visually pleasing image. And that brings us to the end of this video. I really do love the Pixoo-64, but can't help think that the price is quite steep. But if you've got money to spare, this is a gadget that you'll love and have endless amounts of fun with. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel if you're new. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comments, but for now, thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.